All right, let's do this.
According to the plans, we need to start on the base of the sculpture first.
Got it. I'll start setting up.
Bob, can you make sure that the welds are at least 3 millimeters thick?
Relax, kid. I've been welding for 20 years. I know what I'm doing.
I just want to make sure everything is up to code.
Suit yourself.
Bob, that weld is a little uneven. Can you fix it?
It's fine. It's art, not a science project.
But it's not safe. We need to fix it.
Fine. This is taking forever. We're never going to finish in time for the exhibit.
I know. But we have to make sure everything is safe and up to code.
You're too much of a perfectionist.
And you're too reckless.
This is a disaster. We're never going to finish in time.
I know. But we have to keep going.
I don't know what to do. My methods are not working with your safety regulations.
And my perfectionism is slowing you down.
Maybe we can try something different.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe if we combine our skills, we can find a way to make it work.
That's worth a try.
Not bad, kid, let's do it.
Thanks, Bob. We make a pretty good team.
Yeah, I guess we do.
Welding wonders where art and teamwork come together.